In the Books tab here in the middle, shows me all of the books contained within the Concord program. Clicking on a title will expand the book, so I can easily go to any of the chapters within the books within the Bible or a specific chapter. It opens it up right to the top of the chapter in the book text on the right. It also contains the hymnal with all of the new hymns. Selecting on any of these hymn titles opens up the hymnal, showing me all of the hymn settings here. The Indices tab has 3 lists. One are marginal headings in alphabetical order. Selecting this list and expanding it shows me all of the marginal headings contained in Science and Health in alphabetical order. I can select any of the marginal headings from this list, and it opens it up in the book text on the right, showing me the page and line number. The second list of marginal headings are those that appear in page order, going from the beginning of the book all the way to the end. Again, selecting any of these marginal headings opens it up in the context of the book. The third list are the scriptural quotations. This list shows all of the places in which Mary Baker Eddy has directly cited a scriptural reference. So for example, I've selected Science and Health, page 479, line 18. Here is where Mary Baker Eddy directly quotes Genesis 1:1. I could have also selected Genesis 1:1, and it would open the Bible for me to that exact citation. You'll notice here in the left margin an icon, a book with a bookmark. Selecting it expands and shows me all of the various ways in which Genesis 1:1 was directly cited in all of Mrs. Eddy's writings. Selecting any of these references in the pop-up bubble takes me right to that reference contained in her writings.